What a gorgeous day here in the Okanagan. Hi, I'm Wesla English with Okanagan WaterWise. We are going to talk to local residents about water conservation while gardening. What is the best time of day to water your garden, do you think?
Early morning.
Probably in the morning before the sun gets hot.
What do you think?
Yeah, in the morning.
The practice of using drought-tolerant plants that require less water for your yard or garden is called what?
Zero escape.
Yeah, that's right.
Never heard of it, but I know you should always grow what grows naturally and local.
That's right. So agriculture is the #1 use of water here in our valley. What do you think is the second largest water use in the Okanagan Valley?
I'd say residential.
Like home use?
Yeah, residential outdoor water use. To conserve water, do you think you should mow your lawn low or high?
Probably high.
Yes! Some reasons why you think we should all be water wise here in the Okanagan.
Well, definitely because we have a lot of forest fires and we need to conserve the water for the forests.
We've only got so much water. We need to use it and use it wisely.
What are any practices that people should adapt to help conserve water in the Okanagan?
Like not watering in the middle of the day is a really good one.
And just common sense. Don't let the hose run. Don't wash your driveway down. It's not necessary.
We have to be really careful, conserve the water in every aspect that we can do.
How does the amount of fresh water available per person in the Okanagan compare to the rest of Canada? Do you think it's higher or lower?
I would say less, but
Yeah.
I don't know for sure.
Less is right.
Okay. Okay, good.
Do you know or can you name any plants that are suitable for a dry climate? Cacti?
Yeah.
I would say ones that are already here that survive out in the drier climates.
Something more like on the cactus side that don't require as much water.
Stonecrop.
Yes, any of the sedums, hens and chicks.
Oregon grape. Dogwoods are good.
Oregon grape.
Good job. You nailed it.